We are ranking number 27 around the world with 14,000 employees. So we have very comprehensive product line for patient monitor, life support, ultrasound, and laboratories. But through our business, we found that one part of need we cannot really fulfill, that is for animal care. Always we got some veterinary needs, but it's hard for our R&D center to give a right solution rapidly and at the right time. So we decide to create a new company, Mindray Animal Care. It's a 100% independent company with the whole team in the new building. We have about 500 employees today. And we started at 2021 for the independent company with the independent R&D team, independent factory. So we won't have the same thing like human medical devices, and independent sales team as me. We have already 20 employees in Europe to fulfill our European customers. Our goal is to be the number one in this industry because we are focusing in this market and we don't find other competitors. I mean, the big companies, they don't have veterinary dedicated business department. So that is our goal. And its funny thing is that once I entered Mindray Animal, just 2 months later, I got a cat. It's not I adopted the cat, it's the cat adopted me. One day, she just entered my apartment and I kept the door open. She won't quit for 2 hours. So let's say, okay, you can leave. From January to March, 2 months, she grows from 2.5 kilo to 4.2 kilo. So I guess she got the right choice. So speaking of our product, actually we started our veterinary product from 2005, but at that time, all the products is kind of adaptation from a human device. We do some modification for parameters, then we have the veterinary design. But from 2021, we started a new business. We have launched about 40 new products, including ultrasound, X-ray, patient monitor, anesthesia machines. All of these models are developed only for vet market or animal market. You can never find this model on human market. So that's we say we are dedicated in veterinary market, and I think that can help us to succeed. In the new company, Mindray Animal, we have 80% of employees who have a veterinary background or medical device background. We invest 40% of our employees and the capital into the design of veterinary devices because at the beginning, I think it's very important. And also we have the foreigner teams like European teams and the USA team. We have a branch office in Netherlands, which is not very far from here. We would like to invite you to visit there also. And today we have 3 main product lines, the ultrasound, X-ray, the imaging things, and for patient monitor, life support, anesthesia, endoscopy for the, we say operating room or surgical theater, and also the laboratory solution. Our customers include the companion animal, the cats and dogs, the farm animals, equine, and even for some research animals. Of course, panda. And this is an anesthesia machine. It's the very new design. We don't have this one before because you don't need the compressed air to drive it. You only have a turbine inside. It's quite compact with a ventilator. And ultrasound, all of you are specialists. I won't to introduce too much, but we have the preset for all kinds of animals, the cats, the dogs, even for different size, so that we can simplify the daily practice. Also, we are the only company around the world, I think we can analyze the blood of panda. This is the only machine. We got the advantage in China to do these tests. And quality is important. We are veterinary or animal dedicated, but the machine are manufactured under the human or medical standard. All of the machines, before they came to the customer, we have all these tests, like aging test, leakage test, we try not to damage the machine to guarantee the quality. And nowadays, we are working with all of the big clinics and hospitals in China. We are no doubt #1 in China. And for corporates like Ripeng, they have 2,000 clinics in China. So they are our main customers. And around the world, we also work with the big structures like in USA, we are working with AMC. And of course, in Belgium, we are honored to work with Ghent University. So the part of our business or our ambition is to really fulfill the need of veterinary demand, which is, how to say, neglected, I think, before by most of the big companies. So this is end of my speech. I have the very honored to invite Professor to give the training or the courses. Thank you.